Hey guys, so Linea has launched another sixth wave, which is proof of humanity. So basically, you need to verify your wallet address, mm, and on different platform. Okay, so if you can see, okay, this is the sixth quest or sixth wave. Okay, just scroll below. So on the group one, so in the first group, you have to verify one of these, and in the group 2 you have to verify two of these. So I would suggest, although I have done this trusta ph attestation, but I would suggest that to do this one because this is on testnet, and it will cost you nothing, while the other one, this one, will cost you around $6, and this one is almost the same. So, and these two which I have done, OpenID3 and trusted reputation attestation, and they would cost you around $6, while the other one I have tried all of them, so they would cost around 12 to $13, and some would go till $18. So I would suggest to do this one. Now I am unable to do that one. Let's try this one and we'll see. Click, you need to click here, and first we need to connect our wallet and accept. Okay, you need to connect, it would be connected, then you need to connect on Twitter, and you need to connect to your Twitter address and click next and claim, and then it will be successful. So this is what you need to do, and this is pretty much it. If you have any other question, you can let me know in the comment box. Thank you, have a nice day.